Gaza people, I for telling you the truth, yo. When I kind of behave a little obsessive kind of way still. I said the man them a search for any reason for tear down Masicka. I'm like,
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
bro, I want thing about Vendetta people. I want to can say anything I want about Vendetta people. Yo, them focus on them artists 100%. And them not only focus on them artists, them give them artists 100% of them strength and support.
A few moments later.
People have to just put on them best face and face the world. But sometimes them have go through issues where them just need somebody to check on them. Or, you know, especially for man, because you know man love going like, oh, we're tough and everything good and, you know. But sometimes deep inside a voice I cry out.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know it thing set. People, that's what I'm always saying. You know. The Gaza, I don't know. The Gaza thing, when it comes to loyalty, it's just not there. Yeah, you have some Gaza fan, you know, but loyal to the thing. But, brother, JA Radio, dog, but can't believe, say, brother, you're forward pan the media, ball, brother. You're ball pan the media for Masicka, dog. Can't believe these people. The man a ball. Brother, dance all this, brother. You understand? Yeah, no matter where you take it, bro, your competition, bro. You understand? But you found out a ball, bro. Bro, look how much time you did. Back in them days when you rip the Gaza and things where you usually say about Alkaline. No, you a ball for Masicka, dog. Bro, not even Masicka come out pan the media and a ball, so. Jano, but people not to listen. Wagwan.
Gaza people, I for telling you the truth, yo. When I kind of behave a little obsessive kind of way still. So the man them a search for any reason for tear down Masicka. I'm gonna use the word tear down because yo, the recent performance from Masicka in Antigua. Yo, the man them up on the internet say yo Masicka flop. Like Gaza people literally a search for any kind of weakness, you know. Anything what them can use for discredit Masicka. And to me, bro, that kind of show one little bad mind spirit.
But JA Radio, brother, the reason why the people in pre the video and the performance, our Masicka say, brother, remember man do a video and say my president and him at this and some artists broke and some artists all up and cool up and all of them thing there, brother. Him at this people in it. So when the show forward now, they must say, alright, since you bro a dance all this, brother. We're not going to say Masicka some baby dog. I want one. Look how much your artists get fighting a dance hall, bro. I want with Masicka, so.
And one thing about me, yo, you see, if I say I'm still in yo, I'm not focus on losers. If you say your artist is so much bigger and so much ahead, why focus on a lesser artist? So Masicka come out and say what him say, and him not take it back. Him say it with him chest. Him say I'm the new king. I'm a run off a thing right now. And it's like, I see Gaza people kind of play into it where, bro, if you say artist delusional, just make him be delusional. Just let him for John. If you say Masicka John like that and Cartel is so much more bigger and Masicka can't size up. Why is it that Gaza people are mentioned Masicka name more than a Vibes Cartel name? It look kind of ridiculous to me where, yo, winners no focus on losers still in my book.
JA Radio, bro, you know say, you are not the right person for even come talk about this, brother. You wasn't a Gaza man. What happened? True, Cartel found out from prison and him not give that endorsement there, brother. And him give some different man endorsement and true you not get it. You start to, yo, music me a deal, you know, and this and that, you know. You know, man thing, brother. Because right now if Cartel deal link you, brother, you wouldn't have found out and attack like this with Masicka, bro. You don't say the same thing, bro. So you can't move like hypocritical thing, brother. You understand? Just because the Gaza not to rip you now, you want to pick Masicka side.
Come on, bro. I want to think about Vendetta people. I want to say anything I want about Vendetta people. Yo, them focus on them artists 100%. And them not only focus on them artists, them give them artists 100% of them strength and support. If you notice the numbers, them, this is one of the reasons why Alkaline managed for they were there for so long, right? Despite no other backing from other dancehall artists or industry players. The fan base, the core fan base really support Alkaline. If you notice him recent song when him drop, the No Emotion, the numbers crazy.
Brother, you have to understand, you know, bro. Alkaline is an artist where feed him fans with music. So the only thing where we are going to really show attention to is his music. Alkaline like private, bro. You understand that are the difference with the other artists them. And music him deal with. So the people them are going to listen and support it. But people, I don't know why anytime when it comes to a man beat Gaza or a man beat Masicka, them always bring in Alkaline or him fans them. I don't know why. Remember, so Alkaline was Masicka enemy and Gaza enemy, you know, and this man was a Gaza vlogger. And him a use Alkaline now for try say yo him a try this the Gaza thing. While back in the days, him same one did that bring down Alkaline for the Gaza. So how everything changed now? Bro, you no real brother, you no loyal brother. You no loyal dog. You understand? You just to the moment, brother, when the hype did there. You did it now when the hype not too dead now. You switch up, brother. You see it.
So you have to make sure that the numbers and the views and everything reflect the type of support they want to say when they have for Vybz Kartel. You can't out here. Come in mind, yo, months before Vybz Kartel touch road. Come in mind, Vybz Kartel never stop release music in a dancehall. Where was the support for Vybz Kartel before him touch road? Before on start all of the glitz and glamour and the limelight and the money and all of them something there. Where was the support? Cause me remember months before Vybz Kartel touch road, yo, the views them never too hot, you know? The views them never too spectacular. So it seems like it's more like a wave Gaza people are rolling more than real support. If you ask me who have the best fan base in the dancehall, I'm going to say hands down Vendetta people. Vendetta, we can't go around it. Them man, them not only talk it, them man they actually put in the work. They make sure that them support the artists, them buy song, them stream song over and over and over because Alkaline just drop a song, no emotion. And the numbers, man, magnificent. Masicka.
Yo, man, I tell you, man. Yo, man, nah, stop call Alkaline name just for beat the Gaza thing in the bro. You understand? But, brother, I would know how the Gaza fan them stay already. Remember, you know, bro. Remember, say, a cartel personality most of the time, majority of the time, where him have for them fans there. And remember, say, bro, when you have such a big fan base, you know, bro, sometimes you don't know people use things for clout. Some of them are just wagonist, some of them are just hype. You understand? I just saw the thing set, brother. You see it? Some of the time I always say, yo, cartel just have a wrong set of fans them. Or maybe him have just some followers, cause yo, Cartel should have do some type of big album like, yo, the man should have sell some 10 grand based on the fans magnitude. Me I will say that, but I don't know why. You see me? I don't know why most of the time. I guess, yeah, they must support him show and thing, but I don't know the music. You know, thank God the Cartel release a lot of music. We build him thing, cause, you know, just imagine if he did a release like every 4 months, 5 months like that. Trust me, I tell you, because the amount of song when release kind of build him thing. You understand? Yeah.
So what I'm saying, in a 2025, 2026 right now, it's a new month right now, it's a new year, and we're supposed to focus on new things. But it seems to me like Gaza people just want to tear down Masicka to make them artists feel or look bigger. You understand me? I say, if artists clearly I do bigger and I do greater things, why you focus on the Masicka and say, yo, the man performance flop? Because I watch it, it's like a standard Masicka performance to me. It wasn't like, yeah, nothing spectacular array, but it's a textbook Masicka performance. I've never...
Bro, but you just admit it this like, brother, you have to understand, bro. The reason why people view the Masicka show, bro, is because Masicka in Antigua when him put out that video there, say, yo, him rich in a US and this and that and race. So people just say, alright then, you have to go to this, prove it at the show where you gonna do. That's all, bro. And yeah, him get couple real, but the magnitude of what them say him is, him say him the goat, him say him this, him say him that. Everybody are gonna look for the goat performance and all of them something there, bro. You understand? That's why I always say, yo, Masicka, just do your music, brother. You want this media thing, brother. That not really care, no, cause it just make your thing look away, dog. You say you had this and you always have found out and I say things on the media go live. But when you show that energy there, show that impact there, it's not there. I just saw the thing said.
I really seen Masicka do not more than what him do. So, remember, you know, 3 months ago, Gaza people are champion Masicka, you know. Where the whites and them type of tune they run up a place and mute and all of them something, the tyrant and them something. Masicka was the guy who wanna represent for say, yo, Gaza genocide and we wanna claim portion of Masicka success and everything. So fast forward now to December when the clash kick off with Tamale and Masicka. Now Masicka became public enemy number 1. I mean I say all Gaza people need to do is just make him artists do him need to do over one place, over one part. When I say him not have no support, him not no fan base, a Gaza used to give him strength and them something there, then just prove it. It doesn't mean say you have to sit down every day and kind of list a hope and a praise that Masicka do something where we can laugh off.
Wiz, brother, yo, you move like a hypocrite, bro. Cause I can't believe say you was a Gaza vlogger, brother. And the way you talk now, like, say, brother, you have to remember say, yo, when Masicka do, bro, him just make the wrong move, brother. First of all, you don't know the thing for going from stadium, from Sunfest and every little thing, bro. The thing did that die down, you know, bro. War start, clash him and Tamale. See, him and Tamale a war. Then boom, the man go drop system. See, man start say, yo, them left stone boy. Yo, them have to pay him. Yo, this your man ya, go listen to him song. All of them look at something there, brother. Everything starts steer to Cartel and whatever did happen in the past with Lisa Ike, them and all of them artists, the brother. That was a problem. So after him drop that song, the war thing kind of just done out after that because the narrative changed now. You don't know everybody I go, yo, he must say sick a rhyme and all of them little thing there, bro, which now have nothing to do with war in Tamale. That was a problem. You understand? Cause I talk about something where don't know already. Yeah, brother, if you did this cartel, yeah, while my this Tamale back then, but the system song I talk about Wagwan with Gaza Kim them and them people, bro. Brother, that never necessary, brother. Because at the end of the day, from the get-go, Masicka back in the days usually say, yo, if the Gaza thing did for link him would have said no. Then him start link with the Gaza thing. Now he must say, them a fight him, brother. He must say the system a fight him. That's the problem, brother. No, Gaza system never fight Masicka in them time, bro. Masicka was still there, him sang them, him shows them everything. Whenever I hear nothing, brother. Yeah, the thing that died down from the little Joshy thing and Ray. But the clash thing now, when he must say system and them, he must fight them system. And I understand that, brother. Now you see him system did a care up on stage and highlight and all of them something there. So how it does start fight after when True Tamale do a little thing and I deal with him a way and thing and you don't know everybody has say you a Tamale. So I don't know if him get knife system and say, oh fight them because me I do the better song. Brother, never stop it, dog, and talk the truth, brother. You see me?
Just say, yo, it's a toxic space, dog. I want a space full of be a little dirty bad mind and yo, I don't really see the support there because I'm gonna drop them song, you know. Remember, an artist will drop his song. I don't expect say, the entire conversation would have been around the song. It is not like that a little bit. But I say, yo, why would I try to tear down the artist so? It kind of shows say, you kind of insecure, you know, dog. You kind of have a little insecure thing, you don't really look good. And if you have tear down a man about him EP or you have tear down a man about him streams, you have to.
So JA Radio, you gotta talk about tear down man with EP. Bro, Masicka been tearing down artists with for them project, brother. Masicka not innocent, bro. See, look on that clip of people.
Not like those trash that I've been seeing dropping. You understand? More and going to something classic. You get me? And it's already a classic. Complete and ready, you see me? So stop worrying yourself. There's only one side. You see me? No other side. No other. One DJ. And that's me. Okay? One king. You have to know that. You hear that?
Make sure.
You see it? Yeah. That's why I tell you, say JA Radio. Yeah, move like a girl, bro, a cry on the media for Masicka, dog. To be honest, bro. You understand? I saw your sound, dog. To be honest, I saw your sound, brother. You talk about tear down EP. Bro, Masicka not tear down people project too. Eh? When people drop them album, he must forward out and I set it. Bro, Masicka mouth to bring down himself, brother. Because when him say them thing, brother, and then when him for show up for himself and him thing get look away, people are going to call it out, bro, because I call him on himself. If Masicka never found out with a video there, brother, down at Antigua, nobody would have pay him show no mind, bro. You understand? Nobody would have pay him show no mind. You see it?
Or say your artist where you're champion is not in the same position where the conversation can be said, say, yo, the sales don't look right, you know. The man now reach on some billboard, you know. The man now get no streams. You have to make sure you support the artist the real way. Because what? The man a drop project as well. You can't pretend say, all right, Vibes Cartel drop project. It will make a thing look little still, isn't it? Where is the support, the direct musical support? We see say, yo, one time the concert and the arenas and them something there. Yeah, we see the real support them time there because what? We know it's a name brand show and a lot of people feel left out if they not got the show. But why those numbers will fill out the arena? Why those numbers now reflect into the sales? Would I like to see Vibes Cartel hit some Hot 100 and them something there?
But bro, remember say Gaza fans usually support Masicka, brother. You understand them usually support Masicka. That's why numbers either go up them time there, whatever time must support him. Him have the Gaza, brother. And the show thing, bro, you have to understand, say, if 30,000 people for that one show, no means that the 30,000 are going to support your music, you know, bro. You have to understand, say, it's not the whole 30,000 we forward your show, it's actually a true fan, bro. You understand? It's not actually a true. Some of the time, some of them are go there just for the hype. Some of them are go there because them just love music, them just love every artist's music. You understand? No means that you are that fan the way we buy your clothes, where you merge, your song, your this, your that. So, brother, 30,000 people, bro. That means that you got support your music, brother. You have people just love music. You may love every artist. They may go Cartel show, Alkaline show, Masicka show, this a man a show, this a man a show. You understand?
And just by collaborating with international acts. You get what I say? Gaza Nation is one of the most powerful nations in a dancehall. So the numbers out there should be crazy where labels and everybody should have run on Vibes Cartel right now because when it comes on to streams and numbers, would I consider Gaza Nation as one of the most powerful forces in a dancehall right now. So the numbers out there should have really reflect that. But see everybody right now.
But bro, you have to remember, but you're not sure if labeling Cartel. You understand? You're not sure. Suppose it may be alternate down and all of them little thing there. You understand?
TikTok, YouTube, everywhere I say Gaza them say. So when the music drop, the conversation for that week should just be totally 100% around the music. Over on the Vendetta side, I can definitely tell us, yo, it is about the music 100%. Like the man, them not really a focus on people are a focus on what the next man I do. All them care about is championing them artists and propelling them artists to the next level. I can't say the same about Gaza, bro. Like Gaza things that look more like a tear down other artists to make for them artists look bigger than, yo, that's something they need to fix up in a dancehall, bro.
Yo, my name love use Alkaline. that is the man that rate Alkaline, you know. Yeah, man, they rate Alkaline that, because man, them can't just do what them do and does. Don't involve Alkaline, brother. You see me? Because at the end of the day, bro, I don't think this is all about no music, bro. You not understand. Last year, it's just because of fighting thing, brother, where must say the Gaza fight him and all of them like a thing there, brother. You understand? Cartel I do what I do. We don't know say yo the Gaza people them not supporting music like that. But I not really that at the focus. You understand? Remember say a Masicka call long pressure upon himself, you know that. You understand? For example like Alkaline. Back in the days, bro, the whole dancehall beat Alkaline and this man was not on the middle like Masicka. I go on like him a this big man and tough man and all them thing there, brother. Alkaline was just doing music and putting out music. Masicka now, Masicka I come out on the media Instagram live around off him mouth. He never put out no music. So that different. You understand?
The day, Masicka is still a dancehall artist, and if you rate dancehall, you have to allow the man make him do what he need to do and make him try to reach the heights he's supposed to reach. You get what I say? But I love to see Masicka reach the level of a Skilly Bang. And with that, with this kind of support we see in a dancehall, where we willing to tear down some of our best players, you have to understand Masicka is still one of our best players. Him signed to Def Jam. Some might say them not really see the fruits of Def Jam signing as yet.
Brother, a 3 year now Masicka signed Def Jam, brother. 3 year. And Skilly Bang must say after Skilly Bang sign him gone without this. Something must wrong with Masicka there, brother. Something must wrong there. Masicka in the game a long time before Skilly, brother. You understand? So something must wrong. You understand?
It take time. You know what I mean? For others, some people just get it booming in the first year, like a Skilly Bang and them. Some people just get it booming in the first year, like a Skilly Bang and them on the board. For some, it take time. Masicka been out in the game for a while and him still a search and find himself. Right? And it's not like say, yo, me I said genocide or yo, I'm not gonna say yo, we switch to side and all them something. One thing, you know, I'm gonna say it over and over, but someone does not believe. There's no artist in this world I'm gonna rate more than music. Yo, like I love music. Anybody give me a hit song right now, I appreciate it. If Alkaline give me a hit song right now, I'm happy. If Popcorn give me a hit song, Masicka, Vibes Cartel, I don't ya. Like there's no artist who put about music.
Brother, bro, you're lying, brother. Back in them days with Alkaline, brother, you never did that sound, you never talk sound and do them something, brother. You never do that. So now with Masicka now, I don't understand that. I just feel like, say, bro, you feel a way, say, yo, the artist no reach out to you and the guys are just knock. I remember, say, are you cut off of the dancehall scene for a while, you know, bro? You see me, you did stop kind of rep the thing. So, bro, not because you not really get the rep now, you try push this Masicka thing. But I understand, say, you try build your channel, so you don't know if you are going to prep up Masicka the Gaza thing, you're going to try attack your thing and thing, bro. But what you say now make no sense. Some of the things what you say now make no sense, dog.
No time. There's no camp, there's no alliance, there's no allegiance I put about music. Yo, I love a hit song. But right now it just seems like say yo, we're out of our fight. For to clash time, you have to pick your side. Clearly you have to pick your side. But yo, the clash is over and done right now and we move on. But now I gotta really sit down and pray say our next artist mash up. Yo, if the artist not deliver, I can understand this. You can know clearly when an artist just not deliver and you can say fall off. But when you really
so now that brother. So now that's why the people must say Masicka fall off. You just say it because the man never did that deliver the show. You understand? And that's why, brother. So you win your feelings. Eh? Brother, I want to tell you, dog. Look how much dancehall artists get beat left, right. No for no, bro, no much artists get beat. You may never see a forward out and a play sympathy card like what you do with Masicka, dog. How was so? But me understand because you have a virgin named Biggs, you know. I'm a big Masicka fan, you know. So me understand.
Searching, like really, like microscopic, like yeah, look for any kind of things we say artists fall off. That kind of show a look about mind spirit in the space too. And show corruption in the space as well. All you have to do is just focus on your artist. Make your artist reach to some higher levels where you just say, yo, a success we're gonna use and kill them. Me don't even care. Me, some I say, why when I saw I want to target Masicka so much? You look away still. When I see people like all nothing where I run out and I say, Masicka, why you need if you run out? Matsus them run out. Masicka. Shanstar don't run out. Masicka. All you do is show how great and powerful the dog is.
But J area there, bro. Bro, you're like a hypocrite now, brother. Because, bro, you're going like some Masicka and forward out on Instagram live and them thing they and forward out to, bro. What is when no for them forward? Remember some Masicka and film you them forward out and a fire blank and I say man a coke and all of them little thing there, bro. The two people them do the same thing, brother. Masicka forward out pan lives. Brother, I wanna go and like some Masicka some baby dog. Eh? Masicka baby? If Masicka call on the pressure upon himself, if him just focus on him music, cause you talk about focus on music. If Masicka did focus on him music and stop this live and bag of chatting thing, bro, you would have better for him.
That's all it gonna show me, you know. It gonna show the real people themselves. So this somebody is a major threat to own then. Why the entire camp so focused on this one artist? All underneath you do a focus on yourself right now, you know. And show say winners focus on winners in the dog. If you say the performance of Masicka to flop, or if you say Masicka never pull the type of numbers. Remember, you know, and Masicka alone upon the show, you know. Keep it on the show, you know. You have some other artists upon the show, you know, when you even call such my name. I work for artists upon the show, you know, so why you can't say collectively these people never pull the numbers where only don't like to see in Antigua. We don't kind of put the blame solely on a Masicka like it's a Masicka show or like a Masicka the promoter for the show. You see me, them thing that kind of show some bad mind and some crab in a barrel energy, dog. Like, when I forgot fix it, bro. So all you have to do is just lower artists, make them do what they want to do. And when a time for war and a time for clash, we say raid. But if not, if war not going and everything, just lower next artist, make the artists do them thing. Sit down and talk about the artist and focus and pray upon him downfall to make your artist feel bigger. Yo, that thing Lily, dog. That Lily in a space, bro. And one of the things where I just so sometimes I just not like the vibe there no more, I just not feel the love no more for dancehall vlogging, bro. I'm just not gonna be a part of that, I refuse to be a part of that, bro. So end of the day, when you can continue doing what I want, but that's my observation on the whole thing, dog.
Yo, people, you can't really say J.A. really a ball like baby. Bro, J.A., no dog, you sound weak out that. Bro, you really depend on the media ball over Masicka beating, bro? Eh? Yeah, man, a vent. And not a re-vent. John, oh, dog. Bro, you usually be a Gaza man. Bro, you expose your own self, you know. You could never say you usually rep Gaza, bro, and then you out as a ball for Masicka, bro. You understand? Yo, dog, me tell you, yo, no loyal, brother. No loyal at all.
Just need to champion on the artist and make on the artist like success need to be the narrative now. You see, once the artist is very successful, then there is no debate. There is no debate. But if you're gonna say, all right, Masicka EP flop, but when time the opponent put out an EP at the same number and it's comparable, then what is the conversation about? It is a conversation over crumbs. You get what I say? So, yeah, definitely people, that's how I feel about the whole thing. You know what I mean? This is why sometimes I don't really make video cause it's like, sometimes I just talk it truthful. You get what I say? Like, I don't really have time.
Boy, J.A., I'd go with you, now, brother. Cause me see I do a 2 video, me see you doing, bro.
I'm telling you the truth,
you understand?
What kind of behave?
A 2 video me see you doing, brother. And all me see I do a bag of balling pan the media now. That me see I doing, dog. But I found no thing, brother. I must know about people who don't know, I want media facts. That is it.